In this series, we will make a simple 2D game. We will learn a lot of basic knowledge in the Godot engine. Start your Godot engine. Click on New Project. Here, choose a name for your folder, and here, choose a location for your folder. OpenGL 3.0 is for higher quality. If you have an older computer, then select OpenGL 2.0. Click Create and Edit. We start with creating level 1 in 2D. Click on 2D. Click on 2D scene. Now, double-click on Node 2D, and rename it to level_1. And that's it already. You have now created your level 1, in this scene. Now let's build the player in a new scene. Then, we will insert the player into the level 1 scene. Save your program, using Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Then click on Save.
Let's build the player now. We will select a new scene for the player. Click on this plus symbol. Then select Other Node. Now search for Kinematic Body 2D and double-click on it. Then right-click on Kinematic Body 2D and again click on Add Child Node, and search for Collision Shape 2D. And double-click on it. Go to Inspector. At Shape, click on this little arrow and select New Rectangle 2D.
Left-click on Kinematic Body 2D, then right-click and again, click on Add Child Node, and search for Sprite. And double-click on it. Go to File System, and drag and drop your image into the texture field. Now, click on Collision Shape 2D, and adjust the collision shape to the size of your image. Like this. Double-click on Kinematic Body 2D, and rename it to Player. If we now want to place our player somewhere, we have to move the sprite and the collision shape separately. We can also join the parts together. To do this, click on Player, and then click on this symbol. This allows us to place the player more easily, wherever we want. Like this. If you like to deactivate this function, simply click on the symbol again. Now, we need a code for the player control. Click on Player, then on this symbol. At Template, choose Empty, and click on Create. Now type this code. In line 19 and 20, we have the lerp function. The lerp function is very useful to move the player more smoothly. You can play with the values in the parenthesis to see what effect it has on the smooth movement. The best values of the lerp function are obtained between 0 and 1. Now, we need to set the keyboard mappings for the keys, right, left, up, and down. Click on Project. Then click on Project Settings. Now, go to Input Map, and type in the action field, right. Then click on Add. Now click on the plus sign. Now click on Key. And press a key on your keyboard, with which you want to steer the player to the right. I use the right arrow key. Then click on OK. Control to the right is done. Do the same with left, up and down. When you are done, click on Close. Save your program, using Ctrl and S on your keyboard. Then click on Save. Start the program.
Great. We can move the player in all directions. Let's add the player to our level 1 now. You do that with the Instance button. Click on your level 1 scene again, here. Now click on the Instance button, here. Now select your player and click on Open, here. Now you have inserted the player scene here in level 1. By the way, if you have more than one level, you simply have to go to your desired level and instantiate your player there, as just shown. Start the program again. Perfect. That's it for today. See you in the next video of this series. Bye.